Hey, hope you're having a happy Sunday. My name is Michael Urias. I'm with Realty One Group, and today I am hosting an open house in Willis, Texas. Let's go inside and see what this home has to offer. We are in Emerald Oaks. This is a gated community, once again in Willis, Texas. Conveniently located off of I-45, just a few miles from Willis High School. As you can see, there's a very open concept here. You can see the pool behind me, a little bit of glare there, sorry about that. The kitchen, as we will walk in this way, you can see the kitchen behind me. To me, it's one of the highlights of this home. Very open, you have a double oven. You have this beautiful backsplash, which the lights are on, you might not be able to see it quite clearly, so you may want to come visit me. Stainless steel appliances, once again, very open concept, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. 4,000 plus square feet, sitting on 2 acres. If you have any questions or would like a private tour or want a list of homes in the area that are comparable, feel free to give me a call. Once again, my name is Michael Urias with Realty One Group. You have a happy Sunday, and we'll see you soon.
Oh.